In this video guide, I will help you to understand the danger of fake Chrome update alerts coming from the site Storesuperstrongtheproduct.vip. Frankly speaking, this is a deceptive site that may attack your Google Chrome from time to time. This deceptive website displays fake Chrome update notifications. It says that you need to update your Chrome browser extension. It may be out of date, or it may tell you something similar. But these pop-ups are not related to Google Chrome. They are absolutely fake. Their purpose is to persuade you into downloading and installing some extensions that may actually function as adware, as browser hijackers, or other malware. So speaking about Storesuperstrongtheproduct.vip is a deceptive website. Don't install any of such fake Chrome updates into your Google Chrome. And even if any third-party extensions got mistakenly installed, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of all such third-party extensions from the Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to add this extension on purpose in order to let you know what happens. This particular extension will work as browser hijacker. It may change some crucial browser settings of your Chrome, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings. It may also change the new tab too. So it is absolutely certain that implementing such fake Chrome updates is risky and may damage your entire browser. This is what happens. You open the blank tab, thinking it's gonna be the blank tab, but you notice that there is some change taking place. And when you submit some search queries, you also get the results by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. So that's the result of such a fake Chrome update alert. You need to remove any third-party extensions immediately by accessing the menu, clicking on More Tools and then Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them here. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on this site combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.